Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 273CQRX-QD 27-inch curved gaming LCD. So friend, MSI introduced the MPG ARTYMIS 273CQRX-QD 27-inch gaming liquid crystal display with a 1000R curved panel, and friend, the accepted market price is around $689 including tax, and friend, it features resolution of 2560 into 1440 dots, a refresh rate of 240 Hz, a response time of 1 millisecond, and friend, the FreeSync Premium Pro is compatible with display synchronization technology, a product compatible with MSI QD Premium Color that employs quantum dot technology and boasts a widest color gamut expression available in a gaming liquid crystal display. And friend, the color gamut coverage is 98% sRGB, 93% Adobe RGB, and 95% DCI-P3. And HDR standard is compliant with VESA HDR 400. And friend, the additional fundamental parameters include a maximum brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 3000 Gem1, and a horizontal and vertical viewing angle of 178 degree. And friend, it features a Kvm capability that enables the sharing of a keyboard and mouse between two PCs. And friend, there are 4 inputs: DisplayPort 1.2a on the one side, HDMI 2.0b on the other, and USB Type-C on the one side. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.